All right, how do you do, everybody? We're in week 7, assignment 1. So, in this, you'll do an audio or video reflection on our guest speaker we had last week, George Anioke. This is due on Thursday by 11:59. Okay, and right now you're doing step 1. Very good. Step 2 is if you did not attend last Thursday's Zoom meeting and you didn't see George speak to us, you can click here on the image and it'll take you to a video recording of that meeting.
Side of Africa.
Okay, so you'll watch our friend George talk about Africa and answer questions, and then this is when you come in. You're submitting either an audio or video recording responding to these 5 questions. Da-da-da. The questions are worth 10 points each for a total of 50 points. Okay, so you have to answer these 5 questions. Number 1, before meeting George, what did you know about Nigeria? I might say I knew it was an African country and that it was probably hot. Okay, and then number 2 says George spoke about the continent of Africa and its 54 countries, Nigerian clothes, food, pottery, dance, and more. What stood out to you? What do you remember from his talk with us? For me, what stood out to me was about the dancing because I love dancing and I thought it was interesting how usually the men play the instruments and the women dance and not vice versa. Number 3, did anything he say surprise you? Yes, I was surprised to hear that Girl Scouts sold their cookies there too. And what did you find to be similar or different between Nigerian culture and our American culture? So you may choose to talk about either or if you're feeling talkative and want to share, you can do both the similarities and differences. And finally, is there anything else you would like to say? Anything else you want to know? I can forward your questions to George, and I'm sure he'll be ecstatic to answer you. Just a hip tip, you may want to prepare notes before you record your response in order to have a nice flow. Otherwise, the only thing I feel left for me to show you is how to submit an audio or video recording. So I pulled up this page to show you an example. So what you'll do is go up to the top right, click Submit Assignment, and then there's a little microphone icon. Click the microphone icon and it'll show you audio only option or audio and video. So my hair is a mess right now. I'm just going to go for the audio recording. I'll start and say, before meeting George, I knew Nigeria was an African country and it was probably hot. When George was speaking, what stood out to me the most was about the dancing. Okay, so on and so forth. And I'll stop it and then insert the recording. I'm not going to do that now because I don't want this to send over. But that is how you'll submit your audio or video. Okay, if you have any questions, I am checking my email daily. Come to the Zoom meets. I'm here to help you guys. Bye for now.